Roast pork recipe. Welcome each and everyone. I'm in the beautiful parish of Portland, Jamaica. Today I'm going to show you how to make roast pork over the fire outside, right here in Jamaica. I am going to set up the fire right here in the open. And this is how I'm going to set up the fire. These bamboo grow wild in the mountain of Portland, Jamaica. I cut a hole inside the bamboo and I'm going to use this bamboo as the post. And the next bamboo is the next post on the other side. This piece of bamboo I'm going to use for the skewer. I'm going to load the pork on this piece of bamboo and I'm going to insert it and it's going to be able to turn the pork over the open flame. I'm going to set up the fire. Now I'm getting ready to season the pork, and in Jamaica we try to do it natural. On the table I have a banana leaf, original traditional way of making roast pork. Now I'm getting ready to season the pork, and in Jamaica I love how the season are like packaged. So I'm gonna put up the name on this of the season that I use, and I'm also gonna put it down in the description. I have all-purpose seasoning, meat seasoning, and pork seasoning, and also some jerk seasoning. I have my green seasoning. I have some scallion. Lots of people know this as green onion if you are not in Jamaica. Some fresh thyme, and I also have some fresh pimento. But if you have pimento berry, you can use it. But I get this off the tree. The tree's here in Jamaica. Some oregano. Lots of people know this as French thyme. So this is all of my green season, and this is all of my powder season. And I also have garlic. I'm gonna start seasoning up the pork. I'm just gonna cut everything into this pot. I'm going to use this piece of bamboo to ground up all of my green season. Now I get all of my green seasoning like pound up. It's time to add it to the pork. Now I'm gonna add the jerk seasoning and the pork seasoning. Like every seasoning is in Jamaica. And also, you can check out my season line. I'm gonna post it as well. And that's my meat season and then my all-purpose. I'm also gonna add browning, and this is used for coloring. And you wanna judge the browning by just adding at a tip at a time. Now I'm gonna massage the seasoning with the browning into the pork to get it well seasoned. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut. I'm just cutting some holes so I can put down the skewer. And also, this hole gonna help to bring the season all the way through the meat. Now I have my pork loaded. Time to add it over the fire. In Jamaica, you have to know to improvise. I use this piece of bamboo to make the brush. And this is the brush I'm going to use to brush on my dipping sauce onto the pork. And this is the first coat of dipping sauce. I'm using my camera personnel to turn while I coat the pork. I am going to apply the second coat, and this pork is taking a lot of seasoning and it's taking a lot of the sauce, and this is good because this gonna make the pork well seasoned. And to all the fans that watching this video, this is something that we do on a regular basis in Jamaica. I'm gonna show you guys my view, and this is a view I'm working with in Jamaica. This is what I enjoy. Time to apply the third coat of dipping sauce. And if you're watching this video and you're enjoying it, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button as well. After I finish coating the pork, I'm gonna use the banana leaves to cover the pork and let it steam down under the leaf. I remove all the banana leaves and I'm gonna add the fourth coat to the pork. This is the fourth time. And I even adjust the fire to make the pork slow cook. So I move the fire up. It's not the fire we use to cook, we use the heat from the charcoal. So to all my pork lover, this video is for you. Outside cooking, and this is traditional. In Portland, this is the jerk capital, so we're doing something different. If you are impatient, you can parboil the pork before you roast it. But because I have time and I'm not going nowhere, I don't have to be nowhere, I do it like this. Time to check on the pork. And the pork is finished roasting. I'm gonna do some final cuts to see, and it roasts all the way through. I'm gonna remove the pork. I remove my roast pork from the skewer and I'm cutting into the roast pork, and it's roast all the way through. This is the best recipe for roast pork, and I'm telling you, I do a taste and it's good. Whether you jerk it on a grill or you want to roast it over fire. And this roast pork is amazing. I'm going to put all the links down in the description. Because of my camera battery is going low, I'm not going to get the guys eating the pork.